Blessed love to all my viewers and subscribers. Welcome to My View with me, Real Empress Yudah. This one is titled, Your Jamaican Passport Married to Your TRN. And I'll repeat that for you. Your Jamaican passport is married to your TRN. So, the inspiration behind this video is Safari's passport identification page that he recently uploaded to social media. So for those of you who don't know who Safari is, he's a Jamaican American rapper and a songwriter. And he's also a TV personality. So Safari is widely credited for bringing Nicki Minaj's career to the forefront. He started out being a hype man for Nicki Minaj. So that's where, I've come to know Safari, and that's where I would say Safari gained most of his popularity. In saying this, I am just gonna shed some light on this, and this is for a lot of my fellow Jamaicans who have left Jamaica and they've emigrated to other shores and they hold other passports. And for some of them who actually still have a Jamaican passport, it is nice. I do admire that, our Jamaican people still hold on to our Jamaican-ness. But listen to this now. The source of passport ain't gonna do it. The source of Jamaican passport, when you reach a Jamaica, you not gonna do it. And I can tell you because I don't just come on social media and talk the talk. I walk the walk. So let me tell you something, fellow Jamaicans. When you go to Jamaica with your Jamaican passport, your naked source of Jamaican passport, you need to have something with it when you have your TRN. Your TRN is a requirement in Jamaica, and it is a legal requirement, not just a requirement, a legal requirement to transact any kind of business where you have to transact. It could even be for change money. Even if you're going to change foreign currency and you're going to be presenting your Jamaican passaporte, you're going to need to present your tax registration number. And your tax registration number is a unique 9-digit identification number assigned to an individual taxpayer, business enterprise, or organization. It can be found on a Jamaican driver's license or on a TRN card. So the minute you get your TRN issued, that's your tax registration number, it will be printed on your TRN card. And when you go in and you do your driving test in Jamaica and you get your driver's license, your TRN, which is your tax registration number, will also be noted on there. So I've got two experiences that I am going to be sharing with you. So earlier on this week, I went to the General Post Office, which is the GPO in Kingston. And I actually wanted to send some documents off to the United States. When I presented myself to the General Post Office, which I never leave my TRN card when I go to Jamaica anyway, and I don't leave my passport. So it was my turn to be served, so I got to the front of the queue. And the minute I got there, the lady, she said to me, ma'am, what are you going to be doing today? So I explained that I'll be sending off these documents to the United States. They're properly packaged and everything. She then said to me, okay, do you have your ID with you? At first, I attempted to give her my overseas ID, which I then, rethought about it. And I said, you know what? I'm actually in Jamaica. Why am I going to ID myself with an overseas ID? So I just thought, you know what? Let me just give her my Jamaican passport. I'm in Jamaica. Let me present my Jamaican passport to this lady. That I did. And the minute I gave her the Jamaican passport, she then said to me, have you got your TRN card? I never leave it because I know my TRN card goes with my passport because it was them married. So I presented it to the young lady and I had no problems, no hitches whatsoever. That was smooth sailing. I can also share another experience with you. I went to my bank in Kingston, and when I went to my bank, it was the same. I wanted an update on my bank account. And the minute I presented my Jamaican passport to the teller, she then asked me, have you got your TRN? So just a point of information to my fellow Jamaicans, and this is information for a lot of us who have actually left Jamaica. You are going to need to get one. There are instructions on the government's website with regards to how you can go about getting your TRN, because the passport on its own, not going to work. This one sticks to the title. It's exactly as it says on the tin. Your Jamaican passport married to your TRN. And there's no going around that. So with that being said, I'm going to ask you to share your experience in the comment section if you've been to Jamaica, and if you have encountered or if you've experienced any sort of hiccups when it comes on to presenting your TRN, or if you knew that you had to present your TRN, so you went to Jamaica already prepared with your tax registration number, or if you're in the process of going to Jamaica and you found this video to be informative, at least you now know that you need your TRN to transact any form of business in Jamaica. With that being said, I leave you now to seek and find the information, people. We are living in an information age. The information is out there. And like you know, I endorse self-education. So go out there and find the information for yourself. Help to educate yourself so that you can be edu-liberated. And remember, it's only you who can free your minds. I send you nothing but love, light, and upful energies. Blessed love. I'm out now. Real Empress Yudah.